Hello students of class 5th. Today we will discuss number name. How to write number name of different large numbers. But before discussing this topic, I want to review all the things that we have discussed in the last video. And in the last video we have discussed the place value concept and expanded form. So we will start this video from uh, discussing these two things first and then number name. So now I am writing the chapter name, chapter 3, large numbers, and we will review the things that we have discussed in the last video first of all, and then I will come back to number names. Okay, so number name will be the new topic in this video, but revision of last video is also required by you to understand all the things. So please understand once again, I am discussing place value and expanded form in this video also. So I am writing an example here. And the example is 39407. So students, first of all we will insert commas according to the we will insert commas according to the system of numeration. Okay, so we are discussing Indian place value system, all the things we are discussing on Indian place value system. So we will insert commas according to Indian place value system. So this is your number 39407. So in Indian place value system, how you will insert commas, we will discuss this first of all. So in Indian place value system, the first comma will be from right of the 3 digits, and then next comma will be 5 digits from the right. Another comma is come after 7 digits from the right. So in the very first step we insert comma according to the system of numeration. We are discussing Indian place value system. So according to Indian place value system, we will insert comma like this. Now second step is writing place values. So in this video I am again discussing all the things that we have discussed in the last video, so that other students can also understand it carefully. So writing place values of 39407, this is the number. So we will write place values from right to left. Okay, we will start from 7 and then we will move to 0, 4, 9, 3. We are moving right to left for writing the place values. So 7 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place, 4 is at hundreds place, 9 is at thousands place, 3 is at 10,000 place. Okay, so now students, I am discussing how to write the place values, and now we are in the second step. So please understand this thing carefully. So first of all, I am writing down the place value of 7. So 7 का जो place value है students, वो क्या होगा? 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. Place value of 0. So 0 multiplied by 10 is equal to 0. Because 0 is at tens place. Place value of 4. 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. Okay, because 4 is at hundreds place. Now place value of 9. So 9 multiplied by 1000, it will come 9000, because 9 is at thousands place. Place value of 3. 3 multiplied by 10,000. So because 3 is at 10,000's place. So this is your students' second step, writing place values. Okay students, now third step. In third step we will discuss how to expand this number. Okay. Number is 39407. Okay, but before expanding this number, we will make its periods block. Okay, according to the Indian place value system. So in Indian place value system, there are 4 periods: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. In ones period there are 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. But in other periods there are 2 places. So this we have already discussed in last to last video of large numbers, and we will fill the digits according to their places. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So we will fill digits according to Indian place value system. So the digits are: ones place पे कौन सी digit है? 7, tens पे 0, hundreds पे 4, thousands पे 9, 10,000s पे 3. स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको पिछले वीडियो में बताया था कि जब डिजिट्स खत्म हो जाते हैं और इस तरीके से आपके जो पीरियड्स ब्लॉक है वो वैकेंट हो जाते हैं, तो आप उसमें क्या फिल कर दीजिए? 0. दिस इज द सेकंड स्टेप दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन दैट वीडियो. राइट zeros in the vacant places. Now students, we will expand. So this is the third most step, expanded form of 39,407. Okay, so we will start from 3. So for 3 we will write down as 3 10,000, 3 10 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 0 10 plus 7 ones. Okay students, now next step is you can write it down these as numerical form. Okay, so in numerical form it will be written as 3 10,000. So 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 9 multiplied by 1,000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 1. Okay students, so in the last step when we multiply 3 to 10,000 it will become 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 7. Okay, so students, this is the expanded form. This is expanded form of 39,407. Okay students, and after expanding we will discuss how to write its number name. Now we are discussing new topic. And the new topic is how to write number names. So first of all students, I am discussing some points with you to write that how to write number names, and then I will tell you the number name of 39,407. So students, first point is move right to left. Move right to left. And mark the commas. Mark the commas mark the periods. Mark the periods Mark the periods with commas according to the system of numeration. So here we are discussing, students, Indian system of numeration. So we will mark the periods with the commas, and we will move right to left in a number. And then in the second point, students, the numbers in the period gives the number name. Okay, so now I am writing the number 39407. So in the first step, here it is written as move right to left. So we will move from 7 to 3, like 70493. So we are moving right to left, and we will mark the periods. So here, students, I am making period blocks once again. And I am writing down the places names also over that. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Okay. So now we are here. Mark the periods with commas according to the system of numeration. We will mark the periods. Okay. We will mark the periods with commas. हम कॉमास की मदद से क्या करेंगे, पीरियड्स को मार्क करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन मतलब कि जैसे अगर इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम है तो उसके हिसाब से हम कॉमास इंसर्ट करेंगे. अगर इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम है तो हम इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम के हिसाब से कॉमास इंसर्ट करेंगे. एंड इन द सेकेंड स्टेप हियर इट इज रिटन एज द नंबर्स इन द पीरियड. सो जो नंबर्स मैं अब इनके अंदर फिल करूँगा पीरियड्स ब्लॉक के अंदर, दैट गिव्स यू द नंबर नेम. तो वो आपको क्या देंगे, नंबर नेम देंगे. नाउ आई एम फिलिंग द डिजिट्स. एट वंस इट इज 7, एट टेंस 0, एट हंड्रेड्स 4, एट 1000 9, एट 10,000 3, and other vacant places in the periods we will mark 0. Okay. Now students, be focused on the blackboard because we are discussing number name. So first of all we will insert comma and we move right to left in inserting commas according to the Indian system of numeration. So students, here is your number 39407, and in 39407 we will move right to left in inserting commas. So first comma will be 3 digits from the write, so these three digits 407 will make one period. So this period is ones period. Then you have to write down here in which period these digits will come, and then next comma will be 5 digits from the right, but here this number contains only 5 digits, so only one comma will be inserted according to the Indian place value system. So this 39 is a group of 39 will make another period, okay, because it contains two digits 3 and 9. So this one is thousands period. Thousands period. Okay, and the digits or numbers in the period will give you the number name. So now I am writing down the number name. Number name of 39407. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसका नंबर नेम क्या होगा? वी विल सी द पीरियड, थाउजेंड पीरियड. ओके, सो थाउजेंड पीरियड के अंदर दो डिजिट्स आ रही है, 3 आ रही है 10,000 प्लेस पे, 9 आ रहा है थाउजेंड्स प्लेस पे. तो इसका नंबर नेम क्या होगा? नंबर नेम होगा 39,000. और फिर उसके बाद वंस पीरियड में 3 डिजिट आ रही हैं 407. ओके, तो इसका नंबर नेम क्या बनेगा? 400 and 7. Okay students, so in this way you will write down the number names of different large numbers. Okay, so I think students आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Okay, thanks, good luck.